I'll be sharing with you how to approve what your kids can watch in YouTube Kids. Now this will prevent YouTube from suggesting random stuff to them, only what you approve, right? So let's launch YouTube Kids.
Welcome to YouTube Kids. Get a grown-up's help.
In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set up YouTube Kids. Now you can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Now once you download and launch the app, you'll get this option, get a parent to unlock the app. So select Get Started. Then you're going to select Show Video.
If you choose to sign in, you get more controls.
Then
Whether you want to allow
to sign in, select your account. Select the account of your choice that you want to use to sign in and then select Sign In. Select Next to continue. I already had an existing account. So in your case, you can add an account. However, you'll be required to specify your password again. So I'm just going to select this existing account here. And notice it's saying approve for you. Now to change approve for you to allow YouTube to recommend any videos, you're going to select settings, enter the correct code, and then select next. Then select manage account. Then here you're going to select the account that you want to edit, enter your password, and then select next. So instead of showing approved content only, you can select edit settings. So you can choose to approve content yourself. Select an age range, right? And then YouTube will recommend content accordingly. So once you select like say preschool, then select. Now let's go back. YouTube will then recommend content based on the age that you selected. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.